Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram has added one new feature to their Instagram story section, that is on a boomerang section. So now you can make three types of boomerang video in Instagram stories. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to use it. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application. So this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over there. So we will click on this camera icon here, and this is a boomerang section. We will press on it and we will record something. So once it is recorded, on the top you can see boomerang icon is here. Just click on this one, and the first option is here. You can crop the video as you like, and the second one is slow motion. When you will click on this video will be converted to a slow motion here, you can see. And the third effect is echo. You can add this effect to a video. And the fourth one is duo. So you can also use this effect if you like. So this was a small update from Instagram. So if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.